Okay, to take it apart, just pull the middle out firmly, slowly. Pull these two out. For the middle, wiggle the two white pieces apart. Wiggle slowly. Come out. And then push this red center out. Slow, can be a little tight, so just push it up slowly. Use some pressure. And it's out. You can put the wiring through the bottom hole here. It go through, and then you go through up this here, and it'll come out of the red hole right here. Alright, so now to put it back, just snap this two in. You want to put this red part piece in first. This small hole aligned with this one. This one can be a little tight, so just try to align it and then squeeze it a little bit and then push it in firmly. It'll just snap in. And just put this other one. Should make sure the hole is in line. And I'll just snap in and then push it and center it. Now let's take these two stick back in. Shouldn't really matter. Put the stick in first and just lie in the center piece. Line the hole on the bottom.